How you doing, people? Welcome back. Stu is back at me. How you doing? How you been? I hope everything is good with you. Sorry for the background noise. It is what it is. It's cold out here. And chain. Guess what year is this? This is the 2022 Ford Escape. I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change. I'm not gonna do the oil life reset because I have another video for that, which I did like 2 years ago, something like that. It's light, but I'm gonna show you real quick how to do the oil, how to reset it, how to do the oil change. Come on, Stu, wake up. Early morning. I'm not gonna hold you up. Let's go. Let's get it. Shout outs to all the supporters. Love you. Pause. Let's get it. Yeah. You see what we got over here? Come down. Pull twice. Alright, that's how you open the hood. Oh, by the way, this car has 10,000 miles. Alright, just so you know. Alright, this is how the key fog looks like. Okay. Now, when you pull the lever twice, you don't need to mess around here with the latch, alright? Because automatically, you pull it twice, it's open already. Alright, so just lift the hood. You're gonna need this delay. You need come over here. Engine oil cap. 5W20. Okay, that's regular. It's light, alright? You see what we're working on. You see what's going on. Alright. Windshield fluid reservoir, engine coolant reservoir, the AC ports, which is like that's 1, 2, 3, 4F. Alright, so that's the new kind. Just so you know, that's one port over here. The other port is over here. Brake fluid reservoir, battery, of course. Fuse box, one of them. That's the engine air filter. You see the fan. Alright. That's how you get to the headlamps. Pause. Just twist it, back, come out. That's rubber right there. Rubber. ABS. Computerized. Or at least that's what it looks like. Alright, come on, let's lift this. Let's go underneath. Come on. My bad. Alright. 1.5 right there. 22. Okay. This is for the Freon. Okay, down here we got like a bunch of bolts. Look like a 5mm, but I'll let you know in a second. Okay, just gotta remove it. Alright, I'll try not to depending where the oil filter is, I'm not gonna remove this because I'm just gonna fold it back. Alright, once I remove the ones in the over here. And yeah, okay, this guy is gonna be 7mm. Alright, so we're gonna remove let me give it to you. Oil trim plug, oil filter. Yeah, alright? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do 16, alright? 16mm. You heard? Just like that. I'm gonna let it drain for a minute, for a hot minute. Meanwhile, see, let me try the oil filter right here. This with the grab thing. Alright, let me feel feel like a lobster, man. Let's get it. Just don't want to make a hole in it though. I could though, but you know what? Let me move my bucket just to keep it official. Okay, now we're talking about. Now we're talking. That's why we're talking. Okay, I see. There you go. There you go. Alright. This is light though. This is light. Gonna come over here. See that? Wipe it. Gucci. Get it ready for the next step. What I'm gonna do over here, this is the new one. Okay. Pop like that. Put it there. Now tell me, a lot of people are like, yo, but you don't fill the oil filter with oil before you put it back. Now how will you do it there? Tell me. I mean, you can put some oil, you know, you can get the paper inside the filter wet. You could do that. Alright. But it's up to you. Okay? We're putting everything back. Oil drain plug. Okay? If you are those freaks that I wanna like let it drain over the night, do that. Be my guest. Okay, I'm gonna put this back. Right. Don't freak out. I know how strong this is, so I'm not gonna strip the oil drain plug. Okay, it's all Gucci. Okay. So we're putting everything back. We're gonna put the cover back, and yeah, let's get it. Alright, that's what we're doing right there with the filter, 5.4 ED. This is what we're doing, 5W20. We're gonna use synthetic, alright? Because you can use regular too. Alright. How you want me to do it? With the funnel? Without the funnel? With the funnel? Without the funnel? Okay. We're gonna do it with the funnel, alright? People want it with the funnel, I gotta give it to them, you know what I'm saying? I gotta give it to them the way they want it, change. Alright. 5.5 or 5.4. Okay. 5.5 should be Gucci. No biggie. You heard? Okay, everything Gucci. Get the funnel. Put the engine oil cap back. You see what I did right there? Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna start the car. Let it run for a minute. Yes sir. You want to get those messages out of the way. Oil change required. That's for the thumbnail. Just press this. Okay. I'm gonna wipe it. Don't worry about it. Alright. You see how I do. You know how I do. Oh, nice. Okay. Alright, since we down here, I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life. Okay, the car is running right now. We're gonna press down like that. Okay, we're gonna scroll down. We're gonna go to info right there, information. Then I'm gonna press this guy, the menu. Okay, oil life. Press OK. Right there, oil life, 0%, reset oil life, yes sir. Hold OK to reset the oil life. That's what we're doing right here. Oil life reset successful. Let it go. we Gucci. I'm gonna shut it down. We're gonna check the oil level. Sha. Oh, nice. I like this dipstick. Pause. So it's supposed to be right here, okay? Let's check it. You see what I did right there? Okay? Full, right there what I told you. Right there where the money at, alright? Put it back. And we're Gucci, ready to roll. Now people, that's how you do the oil change. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, put it in the comment box. Or let me tell you about this. If you let's say there's a part in the video that you want to put a comment, go to the comment box. Let's say it's at the 3 minutes you want to comment because you saw something. So at the comment box you put 2 dots 0 0 and it's gonna turn blue, and then you put your comment. So when I see it, I click on that time, and I'm gonna know exactly what you're talking about. You know what I'm saying? More or less, I'm not gonna hold you up. I gotta bounce. Thank you for watching. Shout outs to my supporters. I love you all. Pause. And catch me in the next one. I'm out there. Yeah.